Hi everyone, let's unbox this. Okay, this is the W-219HC-3BVDF watch, and it didn't come with a box because I didn't opt to buy the box. Actually, you can buy the box for only about Malaysian Ringgit 1 or RM1, which is equivalent to only 0.21 USD. But I didn't opt to buy it because it will definitely increase the price of this watch. So the price of this watches without the box is about Malaysian Ringgit 69, which is about USD 15. In some shop, the cost will be about 70 or maybe 75 Malaysian Ringgit. Okay, so so this is the warranty card. So that's the model number W-219HC-3BVDF. Okay, so this is the warranty. So let's have a look at the watch. This is the green model with negative display, as you can see here. And before that, this is the module, and the watch is using the module number 3224. And we are not going to discuss about this manual today. So let us just proceed by removing the tag, which is I hate it because it tends to take quite a while to remove, just to remove the tag itself, but I'm quite used to it. I've been doing this for quite some time, so it won't be that difficult. Okay, so that's it, the tag. This is the watch with the negative display. Let's remove the protective sticker, and there you go. To me, the problem with this negative display is that it is sometimes difficult to see the time, even though there is a contrast between white and black, but it's a little bit difficult to see the time. As you can see here, this is the other one. This is the blue version, that is the 2AV model, and the normal display, and it is much more clearer as compared to the negative one. However, bear in mind that the digit on the negative display seems to be bolder, bigger than the normal display. My personal opinion, however, that the green one is much more attractive, as it has some sort of military or field watch look. Going through the watch, we have the illuminator on the top and the start and stop button on the top left, and down below is the mode button, and of course the water resistance for 50 meters below, and the light on the right, and of course all the details on the watch face. So we just go through the watch, the strap, the green strap, resin strap. There is no Casio logo on the buckle, and this is the case back with the model number W219H, and it is stainless steel. So we continue with the underside of the resin band. Okay, going now to the case size. The case size, the width is about 47.1 millimeter, and then lug to lug of 48.1 millimeter, and thickness about 13.9 millimeter, and the lug size is 18 millimeter, and this watch weighs about 40 grams. Some of the features of this watch is, of course, the alarm. There are there's two types. That is the daily alarm and the hourly time signal. And the backlight is very interesting. It's amber in color and it's very, very bright. Okay, let's try it on my 6.5-inch wrist. Quite tiny. My wrist is quite tiny. So 1, 2. Look at that. Not bad. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. Bye.